These days, me and my friends are all very much into fidget toys. For those who don't know, as per Google, fidget toys are self-regulation tools to help with focus, attention, calming, and active listening. I like these fidgets. All my friends do too. My mom started pointing out that I'm getting somewhat obsessed by them and wanted me to try and notice the changes in me. I was amazed to see that now I couldn't really sit still if I wanted to. Like when I was watching a movie, I needed something in my hands. This didn't stop there. I started noticing around me, and I could see that many children had at least one fidget in their hands, always. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that everyone is doing it. I'm only stating what I started noticing around me, and mainly focused on my own behavior. The fact that I felt the need to hold something was making me think. So I looked it up on the internet, and I'm sharing my research here. The fidget toys are built as a way to soothe restless kids and help them focus, but some experts say that they might be harming as many children as they help. The spinning, buzzing, clicking devices are especially aimed at the children who have issues with attention or concentration, or sensory difficulties, or those diagnosed with autism or related disorders. The internet says there's a difference between what we call anecdotal evidence and what the research actually shows, because there might be a bit of a placebo effect happening where we feel like something is helping, but it may or may not actually be helping. Now, all this was confusing for me too to understand, like the placebo effect. But let me just tell you my personal experience. When fidget spinners were all the rage a few years ago, I started noticing that the children playing with them were opening and closing their fingers and making weird hand gestures randomly. I don't think they realized they were doing it. The same is starting to happen with these new toys. I feel it's making many children more fidgety. Like, if they don't have something in their hands to play with, many could earlier just sit with their arms folded and observe. Well, life around them with more concentration. I feel that we need to do some more research. So be aware, take notice, and hopefully learn to use everything with some level of balance. I hope my research gives you all the reason to think about the choices you make daily.